Alright, if you've been putting off making your next KDP book for the holidays, this might be your last shot to get something uploaded before the season ends. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you a last minute holiday book idea that's not only still wide open, but selling surprisingly well right now. Now, most people are chasing the usual suspects. Think Christmas activity books, word searches, planners, all of that. But what they're sleeping on is a niche that quietly keeps working every single quarter four. And the beauty of it is that it appeals to both kids and adults. Think about it, every holiday season, families are looking for affordable, meaningful gifts. Something creative, something uplifting, something that feels like it has purpose. That's where this book idea comes in. It's a Bible coloring book. And before you scroll past thinking that sounds too specific, you should see how well these are performing right now. So in this video, I'll show you real examples of what's working, the exact sub-niche that can give you the best chance of standing out, and then stick around until the end and I'll show you how to use AI competently to create high quality, ready to publish coloring pages without spending days or hundreds of dollars doing it all manually. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, this is a great quarter four niche to get into. If we take a look at Bible coloring book on Amazon, we're going to see a lot of books here selling very, very well. Taking a quick scroll, we have all these bestsellers rank 1,000, 120,000, 96,000, 13,000. And scrolling through the first page, I notice a theme that's doing well. And it seems to be a Bible coloring book that's made for kids. Notice the covers here. This one is for girls, for kids, for girls. And going through the rest of the page, we see a similar theme. So it seems quite obvious that Bible coloring book for kids seems to be the route to go within this niche. If we take a look at this example, this is the Bible verse coloring book for girls. Has a really high rating, 4.8 out of 5. 88% is a 5-star. And looking at the description, there's 35 scripture verses, not a very long book, just 74 pages overall in print length and priced at $7.70. So not too high on the royalties. But if we take a look at the sample, let's look at the interior to get an idea of what this book looks like. Now, the pattern on the back definitely looks like it could have been made by AI, but as you can see, the Bible verse right there, that can be colored in as well. Another example right here, and then another example right here. So this is one way to create this type of book. If we look at the 30-day royalties, $5,000 to almost $8,000 per month. Now keep in mind, this is not a KDP book, so these royalties might not be accurate, but this bestsellers rank is accurate. This comes from Amazon, 1,233. So rest assured, this book is selling very, very well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Bible verse coloring book. Now, total results, a lot lower than the Bible coloring book. This one's at 2,715. Really good average bestsellers rank and a niche score showing a 66. And Titans Pro analysis, all very good here. Demand a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now going through here, we see very similar books to the previous niche. Some new books like this one right here and this one right here, Bible verse coloring book. This one is for adults, but selling very well at 33,000. Let's scroll through the rest of the first page. Some more Bible verse coloring books. So a little bit different, but these ones all selling very well. 32,000, 35,000, 46,000 BSR. Now these ones have more books that are catered to adults that are selling very well, but there are also these ones right here, obviously more suited for kids. This one again, as well as this one that seems like it's definitely for kids, ranked at 143,000. So starting to see a theme. Boys of Faith, 27,000. So let's go ahead and take a look at this book. This one is titled Simple Christian Coloring Book Devotional for Kids, Adults, and Teens. So basically every age group, but if you actually look at it, it looks more so for kids. Now this book has a perfect 5.0 rating, 28 global ratings overall. So obviously the interior of this book is something that we want to take a look at. 45 unique illustrations, aka basically 45 pages. And when you include the backside, which is going to be a blank page, this book equates to about 94 pages in total print length, not very long, $7.99 price point. which if we go to KDP's printing cost and royalty calculator, and let's go ahead and fill this out. This is an 8.5 by 8.5 inch book, and the page count is 94 with the list price of $7.99. When we submit that, when we look at the Amazon.com marketplace, we can see minimum list price $5.68, printing cost $2.84, and the estimated royalty left over after all the fees $1.16. That is pure royalties per book sold going to the publisher. So looking at the bestsellers rank of 18,833, we can see 30-day royalties for this book from Titan's Quick View estimated around $400 to $600 per month. Obviously, this book is going to sell a lot better as Q4 continues, and especially as Christmas comes closer. If we look at the 90 days, you can see definitely it's doing better now than it was around August. Now with the A+ content, we're going to see some interiors here. So very simple. Here is the Bible verse, some descriptions here of the book, and some more pages of the interior. So very, very simple. The Bible verse is not colorable, so that's one thing to take note of, but very good designs, very simple, and just goes to show you that a very simple book can sell very, very well, especially if you know how to put these books together and find out what really connects with your customer. So let's go ahead and take a look at Bible verse coloring book for kids. Now the total results drop down to just over 1,000. So this is the exact niche that you want to go ahead and go after, because it's going to be the least competitive of all the niches that we looked at. It's going to give you the best chance at getting your book seen. Now niche score 59, and then demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. Very good average bestsellers rank. Now going through the first page here, we're going to see very similar books. These ones are really going to be catered towards kids. And as you can see, a lot of the same books that we already looked at: 3,977 BSR, 27,997 BSR. This one right here looks like it was made by AI, but selling very, very well. 147,000 BSR, very good ratings. Here's another one right here, ranked at 300,000, good ratings. Another one right here, ranked at 169,000, very good ratings. And then another one right here, definitely looks like it was made by AI, 261,000 with a 5.0 rating. So obviously AI can really do a lot of good, but you need to know how to use it to your advantage and not create AI slop, not to create low quality AI images. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Now, creating a professional looking Bible coloring book today is easier than ever, because AI can handle 90% of the creative work for you if you know how to guide it properly. And I'm not talking about throwing random prompts into an AI image generator and creating AI slop. I mean creating consistent, clean, high quality designs that look like they belong in an actual book. So in this next part, I'm going to show you how I do it step by step. I'll walk you through the AI tool that I use, how to generate cohesive pages with matching art styles, and how to assemble them quickly into full publish ready coloring pages. Now, how we're going to accomplish creating this type of coloring book is to use ChatGPT. Now, disclaimer, I am paying for ChatGPT Plus about $20 a month, and it basically just allows me to create more images without having those restrictions. But you could still do this with the free version of ChatGPT, but just know you won't be able to generate as many images as someone that is on a Plus subscription. Now, I said this before, we're going to use AI competently to create high quality pages or high quality coloring pages. And as you can see on the bottom, I do have a prompt here. Now, this prompt was specifically made for ChatGPT 5. If you try this with other AI, it might not turn out the way that it turns out here. So keep that in mind. And another thing is, I did not create this prompt. This is a prompt that I found online that does very, very well with KDP books or with print products, print coloring books. But if we look through the actual prompt, this one says a glowing lantern lighting a child's path through a forest. So this is the description of the coloring page. And then the verse is right here. Now you want to make sure the verse is correct. You can cross-check with AI, or you can just open up your Bible to make sure that this verse is correct. That is the most important part of creating these coloring pages. Make sure your verse is 100% correct. And then it says generate a black and white line art page for coloring. The artwork should depict the Bible verse in a kid-friendly, peaceful, or inspirational theme. Add the entire verse in ornate lettering drawn in line art style for coloring. Avoid adding gradients, shading, or colors. Keep the background plain and uncluttered. Focus on clear, strong outlines. No AI watermark. Use a square format. So this is going to be that 8.5 by 8.5 inch size. Let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. Here is the verse right here, perfectly placed. And then you can see elements that are filling in the white space. And then the theme that was presented in the prompt. And as you can see, very high quality type of coloring page. And this was just made by a single prompt. So let's go ahead and try another prompt. This one now is a rainbow bridging two clouds with children walking underneath. And then here is the verse right here. Once again, make sure the verse is 100% correct. All of this other stuff remains the same. Now, when we look at the actual page here, we can see turned out very, very well. Here is the Bible verse kind of placed in different areas of the page. And then the actual theme right here, very, very well done, high quality. And so I went and grabbed another prompt from the list. This one is children mending a torn heart quilt together. Once again, make sure the verse is correct. Everything else stays the same here. And as you can see, stays within the theme. Very cohesive from the first image here. Second image, as you can see, the font stays the same. And let's take a look closer at the image. Very, very well done. Really nothing to complain about here. And so another prompt. A small boat peacefully sailing on calm water with a cross-shaped sail. Here is the verse, and there it is. Here is the verse. So all in all, very high quality. This is the type of AI images that you would be proud to put into your coloring book. For those of you wondering if the prompt list, if it's gonna produce the exact same type of image, it's actually gonna produce something a little bit different. So this time it actually produced two images. So if we take a look at this one right here, you can see it's not the same as the other one that I showed you. Don't worry about it producing the exact same type of image for someone else. It's going to produce something a little bit different, so you don't have to worry about that. So after you're done generating all of your images, the next step is to go ahead and save all of the images. Now, once you have your images saved, you're going to want to go to an image upscaler. This is a free one right here that you can use. So this free tool only allows you to do one at a time, but that's totally fine. So go ahead, grab your image, do 400%, upload and start. And in a few seconds, it'll give you the file here to download. Now, if we look at both of these images, this is the image that I downloaded from ChatGPT. Now, if I just zoom in, you can see with the lettering here kind of gets distorted. Now with the upscaled image, if I do the same thing, you can see just how much better it is. That's exactly why you want to upscale your images. So make sure you do that with every single image you get from an AI generator. Now the next step is to arrange all of these images into the proper pages. And so in order to do that, I use Canva. Now I'm gonna create a custom design with a custom size. Now make sure that you choose inches. And for the width, I'm gonna do an 8.5 by 8.5 inch design. So let's go ahead and create that. Now the first page is always typically a book belongs to page. Very easy to make. Go to text, add a heading, and type in this coloring book belongs to. Gonna go ahead and make that a little bit smaller, put it somewhere up here. I'm gonna go here to the line spacing and I'm gonna close it a little bit. I'm gonna find a font here that does well with these types of books. So I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. And then final thing, let's go ahead and make it smaller a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and hit effects, hit outline. Now the color, I want it to be black, and then go over here to font or text color, change that to white, go back to effects. Now you can play around with the thickness and I'll leave it at 60. Now this has turned into a coloring element, so that's very, very good. One more thing, elements, line, grab a line here, put it on the bottom so people can write their names in this book. And then there you go. You can obviously add more elements around this page if you wanted to do that. Add a page. This is going to be the backside to this page, so typically leave it blank for coloring pages. add another page. Now this is where we're gonna start putting the images that we got from ChatGPT into this page. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag all of those on the page right here. And so what we can do is we can just keep adding pages here, go back up, and then just kind of place these down here because we only want to work with one image at a time. And so this is the first image. Now all you want to do, you can go ahead and lock it into the corner here, drag it all the way to the other corner, and you can call this good. But because there are margins with this book, I'm gonna go ahead and just slightly make it smaller like that. Now there's some areas here to fix or to clean up, so click on the image, you can go ahead and click eraser, magic eraser, and then go ahead and clean up any areas that you need. Go ahead and erase that. And then one more thing is you can go to edit, go to adjust, and what I like to do is put the whites up, put the blacks up as well, and then this one is good to go. Now the next page is going to be a blank page because it's going to be the backside to this page. You don't want bleed through into another coloring page. So move these down here. Now just pick one that you want to work with and move the others down, and then do the same thing. Stretch it out just enough so that there's still white space here on the border. That looks good to me. And then edit, adjust, whites up, blacks up. Make sure there's nothing here that you need to clean up. And then there you go. This is a blank page. Move all of this to the next page there. Choose one of them. Move this down here. And same thing, same process. Very simple, not too hard. Edit, adjust, whites up, blacks up, and that's good to go. And once you complete this process, you should have about 35 to 40 images, totaling anywhere from 80 to 90 pages. But once you are all complete, that's pretty much it. In order to save the interior for KDP upload, hit share, download. Make sure it's PDF print. You can flatten the PDF and make sure all pages, and then choose CMYK if you're paying for Canva. This is really the best for professional printing. But if you only have the free Canva, you can go ahead and choose RGB and then just hit download. Now to give you an idea of the prompt list, you can see just how many prompts here, over 300 prompts, and even instructions on how to use these prompts. But as you saw with my tutorial, very, very straightforward, very easy to do. It doesn't take any experience to be able to put this type of book together. All you need to do is create a cover, and then this book will be ready to go to upload onto KDP. If you're interested in this prompt list, I'll leave the link down below. And there you have it, a last-minute holiday KDP book idea that's still undersaturated and sells every single Q4 because people love gifting these. If you want to grab the prompt list for yourself, you can find it linked down below. It is a paid product, but it's super affordable, and as you just saw, it helps you generate high-quality pages in seconds. And if you're brand new to publishing or you're still learning the ropes, you can download my free KDP royalty roadmap, also linked down below. It's the perfect place to start if you want to learn how to create, publish, and scale your own low and medium content books on Amazon KDP. Don't let Q4 slip away. Even a single well-made book can make a real difference. If this video helped you see what's possible, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.